What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm gonna give you 3 trending furniture products that sell like wildfire. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. And I'm your host, Zach Vaught. And as always, I'm so excited that you're here. Listen, you can be anywhere, doing anything, and you're choosing to hang out with me, to learn and improve your business. And I'm so grateful for your time and for your attention. And so in this video, 3 trending furniture projects that sell. Obviously, there's all kinds of stuff that you can do. If you're looking for some ideas, we've got a few different types of videos like this on the channel that may work for you. And so, number 1, the first trending furniture project that sells is customizable standing desks. Customizable standing desks. So there's hardware out there that are metal legs that are adjustable and that you would build a custom desk top for. So you can do a normal oak or maple or walnut top. You could engrave it and make it custom. You could do an epoxy river table and backlight it so that it lights up. There's 1,000 different ways that you can do this and maximize this whiteboard opportunity as far as custom standing desks are concerned. And this is becoming more and more frequent. People don't love to sit down all day. They even have a little treadmill that they'll walk on while they're working at their desk, right? You ain't gonna find me doing that, but a lot of people like it, okay? So customizable standing desks are a thing of the future and an opportunity for you to make some moolah, okay? So don't sleep on it. Number 2 is Entryway shoe storage benches. Just about every house that you walk into has some type of entryway, and with that, moms are always looking for ways to organize kids' shoes so that they're not visible, they're not just strung about the house, and that they're also by the door so that it's easy as we go to leave, we grab shoes and we leave. So instead of just making a standard bench or making a standard piece of furniture, focus on customizing it so that it has storage for shoes that also can be even hidden. But be sure to check this out. And this is a product that you can probably sell if it's fully customized for somewhere between $500 and $2,000, right? Based on our searches, this is a trending topic that we've seen, a trending product that we've seen doing better, and there being more opportunity there. Okay, number 3, the last one that I'll share here is adjustable dining tables. Adjustable dining tables. If you have been following this channel, if you know me, you know this is what I grew my business in, was dining tables. We didn't do a lot of adjustable tables. We did some tables with leaves that we would do on the ends, but there's a company out right now called Transformer Table that is absolutely killing it. They're crushing it. You can have tables that are 3 feet long and it extends out to 10 feet long. They have a unique hardware mechanism that they designed and built to be able to do that, but I know that they're doing very, very, very well. And so for you, what does this mean? This means getting more into and locating hardware that will allow you to extend tables and convert tables into different spaces and with different amounts of usability. And so the ability to have a breakfast table that is a 48-inch by 48-inch square table that can extend to a 8-foot table, that's a powerful way to beat your local competition that can't do those types of things, right? And so this is, again, something that is trending that people are interested in. Now, my personal opinion on this is that most people will set it to a size that they like and they'll never adjust it. Okay, so that's one thing that we always told our clients. We didn't really necessarily love doing this back in the day, just from the way that our shop was set up and from a production capacity standpoint. We like to just build fixed dining tables. And what we would always tell them is say, hey, we can absolutely get you leaves. We can make the table adjustable to some extent. But what we find is that most of our clients set it to a length, usually a greater length, and they never mess with it. So we would recommend, unless you're just dead set on this, that you just go with a larger table. It's going to be less expensive and it's going to always fit your needs. Those are the 3 trending furniture projects that we know that are selling based on our research. And with that, we're going to wrap this video up. So a couple of resources for you. Number 1, free ebook. It's the first link in the description below. Click on it, enter your name. We'll send that to you over via email. And it's really my story of how I went from $0 per month, averaging $70,000 per month in sales and production inside of my business, and how you can do the same thing. Number 2 is the Handmade Hero Academy program. If you're trying to get started, you're trying to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month and looking for a low cost investment to really up your knowledge, up your business acumen, help get you where you're trying to go. Again, it's a low cost investment. You should check it out. Second link in the description below. And lastly is the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. If you are legit, if you're serious, If you're tired of messing around, tired of playing games, and you're ready to get to $15 or $20 or $30 or $40 or $50,000 or even $100,000 per month inside of your woodworking business, be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. This is where we're helping clients all over the country, all over Canada, grow and scale, and there's no reason you can't do the exact same thing. So third link below, fill out the application, hop on a call with me, let's dive into it, see if it's a good fit. We'll walk you through what you can expect from a time commitment standpoint, from a financial commitment standpoint, and we'll go from there. With that, love you, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.